Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, and today in this vlog we are going to collect fun, and it's not going to be an easy journey because we are going through leech infested jungle. I have worn my military boots and I got a stick and a camera, and we are going up. We still have to go for around 10 to 15 minutes to get to a place where we can get funds. So I'll keep on updating and let's see how it goes. I have always been scared about leeches because in the jungle it's not going to be the small leeches but the big ones, red big monstrous leeches. And this was the place when I was a child, maybe when I was studying in grade 7 or 8. We used to bring our cattle here, get the fodder for our cows, and it's pretty good because I can relive those moments, although not physically getting the fodder right now, but reliving those memories. So this is how it looks. Beautiful forest, lush green. Now we have started getting leeches, and I have brought a hand sanitizer to get rid of the leeches. I don't know how sufficient it would be, but let's see. And see, now we have started getting bigger leeches like these ones, and a drop of this makes them inactive. These are just the beginning of the leeches that gets into our bodies, but let's see how big the leeches gets as we keep going, as we get into the deeper jungles. I have already started sweating, you can see, but it's fun, right? A way of an adventure, what we say. That's this. We have reached in this beautiful place, and you can see that some people came here and they made a shed, and maybe the people, those who graze their cattle in the forest, they came here, they brought many cattle here, and they stayed here for 1 or 2 months, and they migrated to another place. So especially people come here in the winter season and they bring their cattle like 100 to 100, and then they stay here. They let the cattle graze freely in the forest, and after 1 or 2 months they migrate to another place where there are more grass and fodder for the cattle. So we got some fun, but it's not enough, so we are going to go this side and try finding some more. We have reached almost halfway and I'm already tired, but it's fun. It's sunny and there are not much leeches right now, but I'm pretty sure that as we keep going upwards there will be more leeches, the bigger one, the monstrous and the large ones. And see how how peaceful this place is. I'm sitting here on a fallen log and listening to the birds chirp. It's such a peaceful and calm feeling, like that of meditating somewhere very peaceful. Okay. This is a natural herb that is good for diabetes and blood pressure. Now we have reached harder trail with leaves and there is no proper path, so we just have to figure out and keep going up. And it's hard to climb up. We don't have water. I am already feeling hungry, but let's keep going and let's see where we can find the funds that we came here for, right? But this stick is helping me climb up.